Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Guys, here you can see my result. I have got good results from OgAds network. Let me show you how you can use this network to get some interesting results. You can watch this full video without skipping any part. But quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. I do not guarantee any income and results. Your results may vary based on your effort, skills, experience, consistency and traffic. Guys, if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe our channel and like this video. And if you have any type of questions or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. You can go on MX Player platform. Guys, here you can see there are a lot of movies to choose from. For example, you can click here to play this movie. Here you can see URL of this movie. You can copy this URL. Now in next step, what you will have to do is you can go on OgAds CPA network. Guys, this is the best and most popular CPA network. You can easily monetize your website, blog, app or social media accounts with OgAds. Here you can see overview of OgAds. Here you can see how it works. You can log content. You can send traffic. In third step, you can get paid. Guys, OgAds network have lots of CPA offers to choose from. You can choose high paying CPA offers. First of all, you will have to create account on this platform. You can click on sign up button. It will then take you to this page. You can type your username. You can type your unique username. You can type here your email address. You can type your password. You can repeat your password and then you can click on next step button. You can type here your first name, last name, your address. You can click on next step button. You can fill all of this general information and then you can click on next step button. You can read and agree its terms and conditions. At last, you can click on finish button. Once you will create successfully your account, you will then come to this page. Here you can see my interesting results. Let me refresh this page. Guys, you can see its real result. You can click on tools button. Now you can click on a smart links button. Click on create a smart link button. You can type your name. Now you can paste your redirect URL. You can go on MX Player platform. Here is showing URL of this movie. You can copy this URL. Now go on OgAds network. You can paste here that movie URL. Guys, you can log here any kind of URL. Now you can click on offers button. You can click on add offer button. You can search your Australia. You can select your Australia country. Here you can see there are a lot of CPA offers to choose from. You can click here. Here you can see high paying CPA offers. When people from Australia complete this CPA offer, then OgAds network may create your account with a payout soon for this offer. You can click here to add these CPA offers in your smart link. You can add all of these CPA offers. Now in next step, what you will have to do is you can click on basics button. You can click on create a smart link button. You will then come to this page. Here you can see this smart link is active. Here you can see domain. You can click here to add your own domain or you can select any of this domain. Here you can see a smart link. You can use this link to promote. When people from Australia click on this smart link, then OgAds network will show CPA offers according to user. When that user will complete the required step, then OgAds network may create your account. Let me show you how you can promote this smart link. I'm going to share with you free traffic method. You can go on this platform. Guys, here you can see categories. Here you can see latest listings. Lots of people are advertising products on this platform. You can click here to open this advertisement. Here you can see image. Here you can see title. Here you can see description and here you can see URL. This person has added website URL. Similarly, you can add your smart link. This website's name is classifieds.com.au. First of all, you can create account on this platform. Now you can click on post a free ad button. You can upload your image. You can type your entertainment. You can type your title. You can type your description. You can select your item for free. Now you can select your location. You can select Australia location. At last, you can click on submit button. Guys, you can go on MX Player platform. Here is showing poster of this movie. You can save this poster. You can also visit on Google. You can search here the like movie poster. Here is showing movie poster. You can save this poster. Now you can go on this platform. You can upload your movie poster. Here you can see movie poster. Now you can select your category. You can type your entertainment. Now you can type your title. You can type your description. Now you can scroll down. You can select your item for free option. You can scroll down. Here you can see website option. You can paste here your website URL. You can paste your smart link. You can visit on OgAds platform. Here is showing a smart link. You can copy this smart link. Now you can visit on this platform. You can paste here that smart link. You can scroll down. You can select your Australia country. You can select your city. Now you can scroll down. You can click on submit button. Yeah, here we go. Here you can see image. Here you can see title. You can scroll down. Here you can see description. And here you can see a smart link. When people from Australia click on this smart link, then OgAds network will show CPA offers according to user. When that user will complete the required step, then OgAds network may create your account and that user will be redirected on this URL. That user can watch full movie on MX Player platform. So guys, it's one of the best method to get interesting results. You can also share your smart link on Facebook group, Twitter, Instagram, Telegram, and all social media platforms. If you want to learn more about OgAds network, then you can watch this video right here. That's all for today. Please subscribe our channel and like this video, and also please share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in next video.